Guys, how to replace a door handle. Okay, things you would need. You would need a ratchet, a 10 millimeter wrench, flathead, and a Phillip. First thing first, you will take these out. Take the door panel off. That'll be the first thing. First thing, you press here and you detach. Second one, same thing too. Press here. Detach. Next thing, you will take these off. And loosen it. So this door panel was not installed correctly, or it had been toyed with. This is an old car, so you gotta understand that the old cars will have these problems. So here's one screw in here that you need to take out. Take this cap off. Oops. Don't lose the caps now. It's in there. It's a Phillip in there, of course. Okay. On here, it's on the bottom here. There are screws that you can release, that you should release. There's two screws in the bottom, right here. Good. It doesn't look like it's connected, so it would be a problem. It would be a waste to take this off because it's not connected. Anyway, this door is pretty bad damage, and I'm only fixing the door handle. Now we unloosen the latch. Push it up. Boom. Okay. So the door handle place is in here. Let me see if I can get some light in here. Rules 1, 2, 3, and make sure you get the right side. This is the right side, so to get the right side with the right side, the left side with the left side. Okay, we're looking in here. It made it straightforward. So see that screw? That's one screw. That's screw number 2. And third screw, you would have to go inside and get it. So you see, it's 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. Get in there, like so. sure you unloosen it. Righty for tighty, lefty for loosey. Do it in one hand, guys. So if I could do it one hand, I know you could do it by yourself. Okay, screw number 2, right there. So you get your tin ratchet and you stick it in there, and you just unscrew. Lefty to lefty, righty to tighty. We're gonna take out the 3 screws. Right, there's a latch that you need to take out. This latch right here. I don't know if you can see my hand while I'm in there, but this latch right here. Well, you probably can see it through here. Pop it up. So now, 3 screws. All you have to do is pop it up from the inside. Make it go up and out. I'm gonna be careful when you're doing it because you don't want to mess up the paint or nothing like that. Pop it up and you unleash that latch. It's a latch on the side of it that's holding it. It's really in there. It's really in there. So you would have to, the metal spring, or it's like a metal rod that goes in here and it goes on top of it. You have to pop it out. And once you pop it out, you'll be able to take it out. So remember, putting it back in, make sure that by putting it back in that it's like this on the handle, that you put it back in like this on the handle, so the handle could stay on there, on the handle like this. So it'll be like this. See that? You see the markings already? It's like this. I'm sorry about that. Like this. And you put the handle back in, make sure this is like this so the key can work. Okay? So we put it in first instead of pushing it from the inside. We put it in first like that. And then from the inside, that rod I was telling you about, find that rod. I don't know if y'all can see it through this hole, but the rod boom, from the inside. You put the key cylinder in its place as like so, and you put it in there as you put the key cylinder. You put it in there in the position, and then you put it in there. I have to do it with 2 hands, so I can't hold the camera. Cylinder flush in there like that, and then all you gotta do, let's go to the back and screw the screws. and you should be done. We always remember the window has to always be up to do this. The window cannot be down. So you put the screws back in and you should be done. In by hand, you put all the screws in by hand, and once you got all the screws in by hand, that's when you tighten it up. So you turn it at least one time so it won't come off. Okay, so after you put all 3 screws back in, as you can see, you're all set. And there you have it. So you just put everything else back in reverse and you should be okay. That concludes our video. This is how you put a 2007 to 1997 Toyota Camry to 2001 Camry door handle. Thank you for watching.